Investment guidance is a service that assists individuals or businesses in making informed decisions about their investments. Here are a few key aspects to consider when providing investment guidance. 1. Risk assessment. Assess the risk, tolerance, and financial goals of the client. Understand their investment horizon, liquidity needs, and overall financial situation. This information will help determine an appropriate investment strategy and asset allocation. 2. Portfolio. Diversification. Educate clients about the importance of diversification across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments. Help them understand the potential benefits of spreading their investments to reduce risk and capture opportunities. 3. Investment research. Conduct thorough research on investment opportunities, including market analysis, financial statements, and industry trends. Provide clients with insights and recommendations based on this research, tailored to their investment goals and risk tolerance. 4. Investment vehicles. Guide clients on various investment vehicles available, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and alternative investments like private equity or hedge funds. Explain the characteristics, risks, and potential returns associated with each option.